Good morning, children. Today I'm going to discuss the topic of measurement of weight, volume, and time. Weight tells us how heavy or light something is. We measure mass of anything by weighing it. The three common units of measurements are gram, kilogram, and tons. Here, gram is the smallest and tons are the biggest. Children, have you ever held a paperclip? Does it feel heavy? No, because it does not have much weight. Next comes kilogram or kg. It is equal to 1000 gram. We normally use kilograms for weighing our body weight in the weighing scale with the help of the weighing scale. An adult usually weighs around 60 to 70 kg. How much do you weigh? Find out. Okay. But if something very heavy has come, then if we have to measure it, we use the ton. It is represented by small t. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. These are some of the examples of measurement of weight. Children, do you know weight and mass is different? Our weight is different on Earth and on Moon. On the Moon, it is 6 times lesser than that on the Earth. But our mass is always the same. Next comes measurement of volume. Look at the slide. The person over here is trying to completely empty the bottle in the glass. Is it possible? No. He can't fill the glass completely with the bottle. He can't empty the bottle completely. Why? Because it has no capacity. Capacity? Now what is that? That is the amount of water that can be filled in the glass. This is only known as volume. Volume is the space in a shape. When we measure volume of a liquid, it is done in liters. Have you ever wondered, children, why we are having 1L, 2L written in the cold drink bottles or the mineral water bottles which we buy from the shop? That is the volume which can be occupied by that bottle. The liquid which can be contained in that is known as the volume, and these units are representing the quantity. Now, next we will find out what is temperature. Temperature is degree of hotness or coolness. Due to increase in temperature, certain things are hotter than others. When we have fever, our body becomes hot and our body temperature increases. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. You can see over here 0 degree centigrade is equivalent to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Celsius is represented by C and Fahrenheit is represented by F. 100 degree centigrade is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Children, can you think about it? Where have you used or where you have seen this diagram? What is it? Now, Celsius thermometer is the range is from 35 degree to 42 degree. And the Fahrenheit clinical thermometer, the range is from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope you people have understood where you have seen the diagram. Now, these are the different types of thermometers. Next comes measurement of time. We use many units to measure time, such as seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. We can tell what time it is using watches or clocks. Take a look at this clock. I know you can tell what time it is. Come on, we know this from class 1 that this clock is having two hands. What does the short hand tell? Yes, hours. And what does the long hand tells? Of course, it tells the minutes. The hour hand starts from 12, moves in a clockwise direction, and then returns back to 12. So, it will take the shorthand 12 hours to make a complete cycle. The minute hand also moves in the same way. To know the minutes, we can count by fives. I know you people know this one, children, isn't it? So, children, I hope all of you have understood how to measure time. This we have done in the previous classes also. That is why the measurement chapter has just been revisited over here. From the next class, we will start some questions based on the chapter.